feel like he's back there judging me. He probably can't even hear me. What is up, you guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessi, and in today's video, we're going to be playing with, I know you can't tell what exactly this is, but this is the blueprint. Wow. This is the blueprint collection from Meowt Cosmetics. I almost said blueprint cosmetics, but that's not what it's called. So we're going to be doing a first impressions on this. I did get the whole entire collection, so the palette and the 2 liners. You can get the collection on their website for $75, or you can get the palette individually for $48, and then each individual liner for $19. So I mean, if you do want all 3, the collection is definitely the more benefit way to go. If you guys are excited to get into the first impression swatches and a look with the blueprint, I almost said Blue Cosmetics again, with the blueprint by Meowt Cosmetics, keep on watching and give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're enjoying my content, because I do upload 2 to 3 times a week makeup, beauty, and lifestyle videos. And also, side note, welcome to my temporary studio. Yeah. I don't know if there's going to be like a vlog coming about that or anything, but yeah, so temporarily, all my videos are probably going to be shot here for the next. So they sent me also a free thing of hand sanitizer. Why, thank you, Meowt. That is so kind of you. Thank you, Meowt Cosmetics. They double bubble wrapped it. I like this box. It's kind of, I mean, it's very interesting. It's like the blueprint of literally like your eye, not the actual blueprint, you know what I mean? But like, it kind of looks like a blueprint of like your mascara, eyeliner, if it'll focus, maybe. And then even on the back, it's got even more like little blueprint designs for different type of makeup or for different type of like cosmetic purposes. This autofocus, especially with it being so far away, is going to be like, that's cool. The package looks exactly like the box except for it's blue. So it's got the nifty like little, oops, blueprint designs on all your makeup cosmetics and products, and oh, I love it. I love it. Anyways, so that's what she looks like. We got, you know, your pops of blue and then kind of like neutral colors right here. I will give you guys some swatches since it's also a first impression. First we have Skylight, Deadbolt, Dim Out. These are very extremely pigmented. Oh my goodness. King Stud, Beaming, Hot Wired, Hammered, and Nailed It. Nailed it. Kind of did nailed it over Hammered, and it went over it, so that's kind of cool. That blue, holy. That blue is probably gonna stain. You know, it kind of would have been cute if they put like little of the, what do you call it on these ones? This lighting, you guys, I'm so sorry. It's awful. It is terrible. So we do have 2 gel liners. We have Slate and Steel. The tops look, I almost wish, oh, are they different? They're just barely different. Oh, it actually shows up better on camera. So I knew nothing actually about this collection before buying it. I just wanted it because I love Meowt Cosmetics. I have actually like a lot of their palettes. Anyways, so this is a like glittery. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, especially in this awful light. And then this one's like a matte or a slate. Wow. Ooh. There we have is a Slate. Now it's funny. So Slate is definitely more of a like, ooh, almost like a more liquidy gel, I guess, if that makes any sense. And so far dipping into this is more of an actual like gel. I kind of gotta scoop it almost. It's very pretty, and oh my goodness, a little is going to go a long way. Oh, that just left a bunch of glitter. Hopefully, I don't know how to fix this. I can't see, but hopefully you guys can. Anyways, please bear with me while, you know, we get this temporary setup. I can tell you this blue is probably more than likely gonna stain your eyes, because it stained my finger, it stained my arm, and the eyeliner is staining too. So if that's an issue for you, yeah, I'd advise not to get it then. For me, it's not a big deal because it will come off eventually. If you guys were just curious about the swatches of this collection and you're headed out of this video, I hope you guys did enjoy. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Now, let's get on to the like first impression triad, I guess, of it. So we're just gonna prime using this. It's just the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. And we're not setting our eyes because I don't have anything to set it with. Just because I don't want to disrupt this area right there, I'm going to go in with Beaming, which is this one right there. And that's just going to be our brow bone like highlight. And the reason I'm going to do that first is because I don't want the color to transfer up there. And with the only brown matte in the palette, which is Hammered, we are going to do that as like our outer corner and kind of sort of growing up into like right below where your brow bone is, but you're not going to place the actual pigment there. You're just going to kind of blend it there. So you're going to place it in just the outer corner and kind of buff it into your crease. Now, you could have just left it the way it was and not added that like extra like little wing, but I enjoy doing that eye shape. Taking a clean, big, fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend those both out. And we're going to take King Stud, and we're going to go on like the outer corner almost all the way to your inner corner, but we're going to leave that slight like inner corner blank for now. And then this is just like this is actually a Lexi, apparently a concealer brush. And just kind of blend those together really quick before we add that color with that blank or empty or whatever you want to call it big fluffy brush. Like when all your brushes are the same, you need to get rid of some brushes. Anyways, I normally wouldn't use like this. I would use like a round small eyeshadow brush, but my bad. I don't. They're at the other house. Are they at the other house? Or they're other, or they need to be clean. Either one. And then we're actually going to go into both the Skylight and the Deadbolt. So we're going to kind of like do like a little mixture. Oh, she is a creamy formula. So now that the rest of my face is done, we are going to do under a lash line and then the inner corner. For the lower lash line, we're just gonna go in, honestly, just because I want to use it. We're gonna go in with Dip Out. And we're gonna go in lightly, and then we're just gonna put that on the lower lash line and try and smoke that out just a little bit. Just on the inner lower lash line, we're gonna go in with, what color do I want? Probably that Deadbolt, which is that lighter blue. Not the lightest, but you know, lighter. And I'm gonna wipe that brush off because you don't really have another smaller brush other than an angled brush at the moment. But we're gonna go in with Beaming for our inner corner highlight. And there is a little bit of fallout, but now here comes the fun part. We get to play with the liner. I want to do, I don't know, we got a shimmer. Let's do, I really want to use the metallic one, but we're going to use the matte. So we're going to go in with Slate. These would also make for a very pretty base to use with this palette. That's what I should have did. I'm actually really happy with how that wing turned out. Probably not going to be able to match it. Even though I have how to do a winged eyeliner video. I thought about cutting this part out, but I mean, you know, my camera and the white light and the auto white exposure is way off, and yeah, really need a new camera. Also, side note, hopefully really soon that's not gonna be my actual background for my recording. Just had to pop in here as editing Jessi. Okay, finish it off. I'm gonna try this new Lash Blast Clean Volume mascara from CoverGirl. Okay. Well, just because there will be a review on this coming at some point. But first impressions, yeah, I kind of like it. My impressions on this guy, I had a feeling I would like it because I really did enjoy the She's in Parties palette, which is their purple. Actually, I think I brought that one with me, which is this one. And they kind of have actually this one's more all purple. Anyways, so both of these are based off their Meowt Cosmetics stacks, but anyways, they're the videos about this one. I really did enjoy this. I did enjoy the one eyeliner that I tried. The other one I'm happy to have so I can play with because it's more sparkly, and the pigmentation on this is phenomenal, as well as the creaminess and the blendability. So I highly recommend this if you do enjoy blue eyeshadows. If not, then I mean, maybe you enjoy the purple ones, because like I said, this is the same exact thing. And I do have a review on this one. I will link that in the eye down below if you want to check that one out too, because this I believe is still available. I don't think it's a limited edition, neither of these. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video, this first impressions review slash swatches of the Meowt Cosmetics Blueprint collection. That's kind of a tongue twister. Let me know what you guys think of this look down below and the palette. Were you guys interested in getting it? Were you not at all after doing this swatch and first impression thing? Are you a little bit more interested or still not at all? Let me know your thoughts down below. If you guys haven't already, make sure you give the video a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe to my channel by clicking this link right here. And if you want to binge watch some more content, or you want to check out the review on this, I will have that linked in one of these playlists right here. I love you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. I can't reach.